In late 2001, early 2002, our country was in turmoil. Terrorist attacks, wars, economic uncertainty, and in the midst of it all, a third grader goofing around in the kitchen creating some of his earliest concoctions butterscotch cinnamon bread. People somehow enjoy it. Begin, as I often do, by softening a half cup of butter or 1 stick of butter in the microwave and preheat the toaster oven to 350 degrees because I've always made this in a toaster oven. Now add 1/2 cup of sugar and cream together the butter and sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 eggs, and then cream all of that together. And now add 2 cups of flour. And then 1 teaspoon cinnamon, no, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, sorry, half teaspoon of salt, then 1 teaspoon baking soda in something like 8 teaspoon increments, then 1 teaspoon baking powder in also small increments, 1/4 cup of milk. Then stir it all together, and it becomes pretty sticky pretty fast. But first of all, now add 1 cup of butterscotch chips and continue to stir it together, and yes, it's getting pretty sticky pretty fast. Grease a loaf pan, try to get it in there, and it's pretty sticky. So let's get a spoon and use the spoon to get everything into the loaf pan, and there we have it. Now bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes or until an inserted knife comes out clean. Nope. 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 Yeah, close enough. Well, there it is. It's been tortured with a knife, but turned out pretty well.